Poco, the brand which had gained huge popularity by launching only one mobile, that is Poco F1. Until Poco F1, it's all good, but whenever Poco introduced its X series, most of the people started to think whether Poco was moving out of its range. Well, we will find out in this video whether Poco is moving out of its range. Hello guys, this is Tech Speakers. Welcome to the channel. Poco is only the brand which had launched first ever flagship mobile in between the range 15 to 20k. When Poco F1 was launched, it had priced around 20k in 2018, but currently this mobile is available at 15k. At the time of 2019, most of the people started to think about Poco F2, but Poco haven't launched single mobile in 2019. But recently, almost after 2 years, Poco had become independent brand from Xiaomi. In that situation, it had also launched Poco X series. It was quite uncomfortable for the Poco lovers because they had expected Poco F2. Here we can have one more question, that is, after Poco had become independent brand, that means whether it had killed their innovation. The answer is definitely yes. Poco had introduced Redmi K series mobile as Poco X series just by changing its brand name. Now let us move on to Poco F2. Surprisingly, it can be launched in this month, but the name of this mobile will be Poco F2 Pro. Meanwhile, in this case also, Poco is coming with zero innovation, that is, just simply importing mobile from Redmi, where same mobile is launched in China as Redmi K30 Pro. First of all, let us look into its specifications. It comes with 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display. It runs on Android 10, MIUI 11. It is powered with Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It also packed with quad camera setup. The primary camera is 64 MP, secondary camera is 13 MP wide angle and 5 MP telephoto sensor along with 2 MP depth sensor. It is also having 20 MP pop-up camera. It is also wide angle. Moving on to battery capacity, it may have 4700 mAh and it is also support 33 watt fast charging. The base variant will be priced around 49,000, that is 6GB plus 128GB. Moving on to another mobile which is going to be launched as new M series by Poco. The few leaks say that it is mid-range mobile. It can be updated version of Redmi Note 9 Pro. So guys, it's opinion time. Do you really think it is necessary to buy Poco F2 Pro at 49,000 price tag? In my opinion, it will be nice if you add extra 5k to 6k and you can choose OnePlus 8 Pro, where you can get best user experience, Oxygen OS, along with that you can get super screen mobile. So what you guys think about Poco F2 Pro? Let me know in comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive notification whenever I post a video. Do you really get other mobile best user experience to be launched as a new M series that you can get super screen mobile price tag? Say my opinion, it is mid-range mobile. If you add extra 5k to 6k and you can choose OnePlus 8 Pro. It's opinion time.